What is up guys, my name is Chase, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be my unboxing of the DJI Ronin SC. This was like my most wanted thing for Christmas, so I'm very lucky and grateful to have gotten this for Christmas. It is a stabilizer for DSLR and mirrorless type of cameras. It's basically the little brother of the DJI Ronin S. Anyway, let's get into this package because I'm excited. So it comes in this little I want to say almost styrofoam feeling type of case. So here is our little DJI Ronin SC case. It even says it on the top of the case, which is really cool. It looks really awesome, I love it. Anyway, we have these little latches on the top. And opening it up, here's all of our contents. We have some paperwork, which I think I'm probably gonna actually have to use since I have no idea how to set this thing up. Here's our little battery grip. On the bottom, it has some threads. It looks like you can put it on a tripod, which is nice. Here's our legs, and this is how you can stand it up on a flat surface. Since the Ronin SC is really integrated with the mobile app, it looks like there's a little thing that you can hold your phone in. We have our little mounting plate here. We have some tools. I'm not a tool type of guy, obviously, so we'll set that on the side. We have a little riser plate here. We have a USB cable. I believe that's the one to charge it. This is our little lens holder. I'm gonna be real with you guys, the only reason I know now what all of this stuff is because I've been using it for a few days. But when I was recording this video, I have no idea what any of this stuff is. Why do we have a micro USB cable? I have no idea. And then finally, moving on to the actual Ronin SC itself. We have a little joystick. Here I am testing it out for the first time. It feels really nice, I love it. And that is everything that's inside the case. So I decided to put it together for the first time here. I just wanted to get a feel for how heavy it would be. It's not terrible, but it's also obviously not light. As you can see here, it's kind of light enough that I can hold it with one hand. That being said, I am a weakling, so anyway, with all that being said, that wraps up my little unboxing of the DJI Ronin SC. But for now, thank you for watching this unboxing video. My name is Chase, and I will see you again soon. Bye.